Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Rob in Idaho, the big potato state, on this Galaxy DX929. Rob, these are basic radios, but great modulating radios, great receiving rigs. They often get overlooked by many operators. They're one of my favorite Galaxy production radios out. Not a massive amount of power, but clean power, and if you decide to run an amp, that's where you can gain your extra horsepower. So you've got your power modulation SWR settings here for the meter, noise blanker, CB and PA, low and high on your talkback, volume squelch, mic gain, RF power, a dimmer, and an RF gain. Okay, so let's just get right to it. RF power is all the way down, 25 watt slug. Looks like we got you set about a hair under a watt. That way if you decide to run an amp, Rob, you'll have enough adjustability. 5.5 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. 15 bird. Very impressive from a single final. 50 watt PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 1 2 1 2. Hello. And 31 PEP. Alright, Rob, we're gonna get this out to Potato Town. I appreciate it. And if you get a chance, leave me a Google 5-star review. It'd be much appreciated. I'm your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum bum.